Welcome, creatives. It is Tuesday, just Tuesday, getting through that week. And today I am continuing adding a new layer. And I have to tell you, I'm proud of myself in this painting. This painting is something very different. And I keep saying this, but it really is. It's very different from what I am comfortable with um, as I create. So most of my paintings are focused on just the face and the hair. And this painting has body, arms, hands, flowers, leaves, all the things. Now, not a full body, but that's my next challenge at some point is to do a full figurative painting. We'll see. But, this is a challenge for me and I have to be really honest with you. I get overwhelmed very easily in my process. And I really want to be kind of transparent in this process. Yeah, I want to demo and show you, how I do things, but I also want to share with you how I'm feeling, how things are making me feel, and how I deal with those feelings and what I do to deal with that because those are important. The feelings are what really dictate the flow of the painting because how do you feel when you start feeling frustrated with your work? What does it do? Do you just stop what you're doing? Do you fight it? Do you do things to help you deal with those feelings? When you're feeling really good about a painting, you have the flow, it flows, you go through these ups and downs. So I definitely want to share with you when I'm feeling like, I'm overwhelmed, and I don't want to mess it up. So I slow it down and I just focus on shapes. So today I am working on the arm and the hand that is sitting on top of the head. And I'm working on getting that shape right. It will take time. I just kind of focus on tiny little pieces of information. And as I build up in more and more information, it starts becoming what I want it to be. And I stop thinking like I used to think that, okay, if I do 2 or 3 brush strokes, and it's supposed to get me to my journey, but actually it's a longer journey and it takes a little bit of working. You got to play with it, you got to fight with it, you got to tinker with it before it starts becoming. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. And then later on in the week or later on, I'll be finishing the block in of the rest of the body with a new layer. It will continue. And I've got flowers, I got leaves, I got a lot of things to do, but one thing at a time, small little areas at a time is the best way to deal with it when you're really challenging yourself. All right. So happy Tuesday, happy creating, and let's get started.